It's raining cats and dogs. This is a very common English idiom that means raining very heavily. When native speakers say this, they mean a strong downpour where water comes down fast and hard from the sky. This idiom does not mean real cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It is just a colorful way to describe very heavy rain. The expression paints a vivid picture of how intense the rainfall feels. The earliest recorded uses appeared in the 1700s. Poet Henry Vaughan wrote about dogs and cats raining in 1651. Playwright Richard Brome mentioned rain dogs and polecats in 1652. These show the phrase was already known then. Here is a perfect example. Take an umbrella exclamation, "It's raining cats and dogs outside." This shows exactly how native speakers use it in everyday conversation during heavy rain. Other ways to say heavy rain include pouring rain, raining buckets, coming down in sheets, and downpour. All these mean the same intense rainfall, but use different colorful images. Use this idiom during heavy thunderstorms, sudden downpours, monsoon season, tropical storms, weather warnings, or when canceling outdoor plans. It fits any situation with very strong rain. Now you know this important idiom completely. Next time it pours heavily, confidently say "It's raining cats and dogs" exclamation. You will sound like a native English speaker.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.